they called for a referendum for an illegal bill. The Constitution of Zimbabwe is very clear on Section 328, subsection 7, how to draft a bill that seeks to extend the term of the office of President, Parliament in local authority. Zarabena mashoko buda panguva ine achiona kunzi vakomana ve-Constitution Defenders Forum, CDF, very serious. And panguva ine, they are trying by all means to block these constitutional amendments. Anokonzi ari kuviolate the Constitution, especially Section 328, sub 7. Irikuonekwa kunzi panguva ine inoyasa kuarticulate zviri pachena kuti kana vaida kuita such amendments of this magnitude vanofanira kuita sei. Tarabira mashoko buda nyuka panapa BBC, not subscribe or like on the bell icon. BBC Zimbabwe nobuda nyura chiti in court, you need two separate bills for president, two separate bills for the parliament, and two separate bills for the local authority. Those who drafted Cap 3 did put everything in one bill, which makes it illegal according to the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Again, Mnangagwa illegalized the bill by chairing cabinet committee that discussed the bill that seeks to extend his term. According to the Constitution of Zimbabwe, that is illegal. To those who are calling for a referendum, they are lost. You can't call for a referendum on illegal bill. You can't go to the court to request for a referendum on an illegal bill. The court will give you that referendum then. ZANU-PF rigged you through controlled ZEC. Those who are calling for a referendum don't have numbers to defeat ZANU-PF in a referendum. Is it why we saw the attack on nelsonchamisa some few days? Because he's the opposition with numbers to defeat ZANU-PF in a referendum. Cap 3 is to be thrown away because it is illegal. Doma developments are kuda panguva ina achiuya nevakomana ve-CDF vachizama nepanogonara po kubloka these amendments. Pena comment section vedu zofungura any more kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.